Step 1. Select high-quality stainless steel raw materials. Step 2. Accurately segment materials with laser CNC cutting. Smooth surface, no burrs. Step 3 to 160. Ton CNC bending machine for bending. With its own bending mold. Step 4. Welding and assembly products. The technicians hold Special Operation Certificate, a national recognized welder certificate. Step 5. Set up product circuit. The technicians hold Special Operation Certificate, a national recognized welder certificate. Step 6. Product quality inspection. Each Tonghen products have undergone strict factory testing, key process quality checkpoint performance test. Step 7. Product packaging. Cleaning products, packaging and dispatch. Seal the fill and bind the plywood frame. Delivery to our international customers.